Good morning, students. Here I am to explain a new topic from anatomy and physiology, digestive system. You can see a full plate, a full of food, variety of the food, the spicy food, the yummy food. That's we are going to talk about what happens to the food after it is going into your body, and that is all about digestive system. The learning outcomes at the end of this session, you will be able to list the organs of digestive system, name the digestive processes, explain mechanical digestion, explain chemical digestion. Now in short, digestive system, what happens? When you eat the food that is in the nutrients, they are the large molecules. The large molecules, they are carbohydrate, they are lipids, proteins, vitamins, minerals. So that we consume the food, and when you say digestion, it is a breakdown process. It is a breakdown in small absorbable molecules. So all the organs in breakdown of food are collectively known as digestive system. Okay? Shall we proceed? Here is a list of organs of digestive system. Now you can see in the diagram the whole of digestive system, all the organs of digestive system we can make the two parts. Number one is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, it consists of number of organs starting with mouth, then it continues a funnel shaped cavity, that is pharynx. Pharynx further continues as a tube, that is esophagus. Esophagus tube, it opens into a organ, that is a stomach. From the stomach, the food further it goes into the coil of intestine, that is a small intestine. After that, food enters into the large intestine, and at the end it get all the waste material, it get collected in the rectum and then passes through the anus. So to list the organs of alimentary canal through which the food passes, they are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Now, besides this alimentary canal, other organs that help the digestive system or the digestion process, they are called accessory organs, and they are salivary glands, liver, pancreas and gallbladder. Okay. Again, there are three pairs of salivary glands, one on each side. There is a parotid gland, a sublingual gland, and there is a submandibular gland. So there are 4 accessory organs. Now you can take a halt and you can write down which are the digestive processes. Okay, now here is a list of digestive processes. There are 6 digestive processes. Number 1 is ingestion. Ingestion means taking the food and liquid into mouth. That is a process. Number 2, secretion. Cells within the GI tract and the accessory digestive organs secrete about 7 liters of water, acid, buffers, enzymes into lumen of tract each day. That is a process of secretion. And all these secretions, they mix up with the food. So the next process is mixing and propulsion. Alternating contractions and relaxations of the smooth muscle in the walls of GI tract, they mix the food and the secretion and they propel them toward the anus. For example, in stomach, the gastric juice, it gets thoroughly mixed with the food because of churning motion, and this churning motion thoroughly mixes the food with the gastric juice. The next process is a digestion. Digestion, it is in the 2 forms, mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion, teeth with aid of tongue cut and grind the food before it is swallowed. The large particles are converted into small particles. Another way, the smooth muscles of stomach and small intestine, they churn the food. So whatever the semi-solid food, that is a bolus in the stomach and further in small intestine, get converted into a liquid chyme. The chemical digestion, the digestive enzymes produced by salivary glands, tongue, stomach, pancreas and the small intestine, they convert carbohydrate, lipid, protein molecule, they split into the smaller molecules, the vitamins, the iron, the cholesterol, the water, it is absorbed without further digestion. The next process is absorption. Absorption is entrance of the products of digestion into epithelial cells lining lumen of GI tract. Absorbed substances, they further they pass into the blood or into the lymph and further they are circulated. The last process is defecation. The indigestible substances, bacteria, cells, they removed from the lining of the GI tract, unabsorbed digestive material, leave the body through the anus, and this process is defecation, and the material which is eliminated, that we call as fecus. So thank you very much, students.